Okay, so hey guys, there's a noise. No wait, I'm starting again. Alright, okay, so there's a noise outside or something, but I don't know where it is. But there's some people outside, but that's what she's telling me.
Yeah, there's people outside. Look, he's taking someone's car.
No.
His house is that.
No, no.
No.
Someone's trying to take someone's car.
Yeah.
Yeah, someone's trying to take someone's car. I think you'll be able to see. Look, there they are. Bring it back. Oh my. Oh my.
Guys, there's some
Oh,
creepy stuff here.
Someone's trying to take someone's car.
Yeah, but they're always going. Oh, guys.
They're moving. Oh, God.
Well, this is a series.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my, OMG. Look at that. Someone's stealing some car. Oh my gosh. Really?
Okay. I have to catch it going.
Oh my
It's
god,
gone.
the car's
We
gone.
have to get down.
Let's get down now, because we don't know if anyone's going to see us.
I think we have to call 999. We might have to call 999, but we have to see what the noise is.
Yeah.
So,
We're not going to call 999. Because
yeah, we are.
No,
Yeah,
we're
we are.
not. We're fine. We just need to find out the noise and just try to say, can you go away, please? And then they might go away. And if they don't, we ring 999.
Alright. So, we might do that after this. But it's going to be intense noise. So, just...
If
What are
this
you
is a trick now, guys.
It's end of.
Yeah.
I'm moving out of family.
What? You're moving out of this family?
That's not actually true, I was joking. But we're going to see where it is.
Yeah,
It's upstairs.
so guys,
let's
we're
go.
just going now.
And this girl's name is my friend, and she upstairs first.
Oh, yeah.
And she is
Upstairs first.
over there.
And her name is Sienna.
And then Sienna. That's Sienna.
Yeah, I'll check in here.
Okay. She's following her. My little drums, doing different videos.
I haven't found a single thing yet.
Nothing.
Nothing at all. So now, guys, we're just going.
Oh, what's happening? Oh,
Oh God. People. Someone's turned the light off. She's staying in.
no.
Okay.
Can't say why.
I just want to stay until if it turns on. Guys, we're just standing right by the door and the light turned off.
Okay, so I don't know if you can hear it on the GoPro, but it is actually quite bad and loud.
Yeah, but this is just something.
I don't know what
But
it
it
is.
stopped.
No, it hasn't. No, it hasn't. They can't hear it though.
It hasn't stopped, but you can't hear it, guys. Guys, did you just hear that noise? Sorry,
This is my puppy. And there's another dog.
oh my god, this is kicked.
Mummy,
It's
can
a Fireman Sam.
Mummy, can you be on the channel? You? Pardon?
Why?
So do you mind if you are?
No, it's not.
So you are. So you can be on the channel. Can you?
Okay, what do you want?
Nothing really. Just in case you get your way, and I would just want to know if you want to be on this video.
Peach! She's not to go upstairs.
There's another doggy.
What was this mess that was all over the floor?
Peaches
That's
peed.
it. Peaches peed?
Yeah, I wiped it up.
You wiped it up?
Yep.
But it was sicky.
Sicky.
Hmm.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Right, Peaches out for weenies.
So they're just gonna look outside.
Guys, so there's nothing out there.
Someone might be pranking us.
Hang on. Did you just video all that?
Yeah.
Peach!
I think someone's pranking us.
Yeah, this has to be prank.
I'm gonna tell anyone if they're pranking us. What's he say? Don't know what it is. That's our Alexa. What's that noise?
Guys, do you hear it now? That noise what we were talking about.
I hope you can hear it. What is it?
Come on, dog. Out you come.
Then,
Toilet.
is it?
No. I don't think
Someone passed it to Alexa. How'd you turn it off? Alexa,
Stop.
stop.
Alexa.
Alexa, stop. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know who did that, but whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. She's going to go in like 20 minutes or so. And then, peace.